If you're creating content for social media, you've probably noticed that the hardest part isn't editing the video, it's figuring out what to create in the first place. Most professional creators don't rely on inspiration, they start with research. Before writing a script or filming videos, they spend time studying what's already working in their niche. They collect reference videos, compare different styles, and analyze the patterns behind successful content. The problem is that this process can take hours. You have to search YouTube manually, try different keywords, open dozens of videos, and organize everything yourself. Fortunately, AI can automate almost all of that work. Hi, I'm Harry, and in this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Work to automatically search YouTube, find high-performing videos in your niche, and organize everything into a database you can use for future analysis. If you enjoy AI workflow tutorials like this, please consider subscribing. Now, without further ado, let's get started. ChatGPT Work is a desktop app that lets ChatGPT interact directly with your computer. Instead of just answering questions in a chat window, it can perform repetitive computer tasks on your behalf, helping you automate workflows that would normally take hours to do manually. Now let's get it set up. First, head over to the ChatGPT Work website. If you'd like to follow along, I've included the link in the description below. Once you're there, download the app for your operating system. By the way, you may have also heard that Claude Cowork is a good alternative, and that's absolutely true. If you're already comfortable with it, feel free to use it instead. Personally, I prefer ChatGPT Work because it gives me a more generous usage limit with just a Plus plan. Once you've opened the ChatGPT app, there's one thing worth pointing out. OpenAI has combined the regular ChatGPT experience, ChatGPT Work, and Codex into a single application, so everything you need is in one place. At the top, you'll see two main modes, Chat and Work. For this workflow, we'll mainly be using Work because it's designed to work directly with files and projects on your local computer. On the left-hand side, you'll also see Codex, which is more focused on coding tasks. We won't be using it directly in this tutorial, so let's switch back to Work. To get started, create a new project. Click New Project, then choose Work in a folder. I've already prepared the entire project for this workflow, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. It includes all the skills, scripts, and folder structure needed for the AI agent to work properly. You can download the complete project from my free school community using the link in the description. After downloading it, simply select the YouTube Short Research Workflow folder as your project folder. You can leave the project name as the default, and you'll see the new project appear on the left-hand side. Now, let me quickly show you what's inside the folder. First, we have the skills folder. If you open the skill.md file, it's basically just the instructions for the AI agent. It tells ChatGPT Work what steps to follow and how to complete this workflow. Next, we have the scripts folder. This is where all the automation happens. For example, the YouTube Video Finder.py file is a Python script that connects to the YouTube Data API and automatically finds viral videos for us. If you don't know Python, don't worry. You don't need to write any code. I'll walk you through everything step by step. Finally, we have the output folder. This is where all the results will be saved, like the CSV or Excel files that we'll use later when we start analyzing the videos. That's really all you need to know. Everything has already been set up, so once we start chatting with ChatGPT Work, it'll automatically know when to use these files behind the scenes. The next step is to get your YouTube Data API key. The reason we need this is because our workflow needs access to YouTube's data. Without the API, ChatGPT Work won't be able to automatically search for viral videos or collect the information we need. Head over to the Google Cloud Console. I put the link in the description. First, create a new project. If you already have one, you can simply select it. Otherwise, click New Project, give it any name you like, and click Create. Once your project is ready, go to APIs and Services, then click Enable APIs and Services. Search for YouTube Data API v3, click on it, and then click Enable. After that, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This page mainly shows your API usage and quota. The free quota is more than enough for this workflow, so you don't need to worry about paying anything. Next, go to Credentials, click Create Credentials, and choose API key. You can name the key whatever you'd like. Under API restrictions, make sure you select YouTube Data API v3. Everything else can stay as the default. Once you click Create, Google will generate your API key. Now, one important thing, never share this API key with anyone. Think of it like a password. Anyone with your key can use your quota, so keep it private. By the time you're watching this video, I'll have already deleted the key I'm showing on screen. If you ever forget to copy it, don't worry. You can always come back to the credentials page and click Show Key to view it again. Once you've copied your API key, we're done with the Google Cloud setup. Now let's go back to ChatGPT Work and connect everything together. We're already inside our project. All we need to do is add our YouTube Data API key. The easiest way is to simply tell ChatGPT Work to do it for you. Just type something like update my YouTube API key, then paste in the API key you just created and send a message. It'll automatically update the project for you. Once it's done, you're all set, and we can finally research the topic. Imagine you're a company that sells meal prep containers and you want to create content on social media. Inside ChatGPT Work, I can just type, research viral videos about meal prep containers. That's it. It will automatically use the skills and scripts we added to the project, search for relevant videos, and organize the results for us. You can also see each step while it's working. In this example, it took around 45 seconds to complete the research and return 10 viral videos. The results include the video titles, URLs, view counts, and other useful information. You can review everything directly inside the project or download the results as a CSV or Excel file. In this case, every video it found had more than 1 million views, so we already have 10 strong examples to study. This is where the workflow saves us a huge amount of time. Instead of manually searching YouTube, trying different keywords, and opening videos one by one, we collected everything in less than a minute. I set the workflow to return 10 results by default, but you can ask for 20, 30, or even 50 videos if you want to do more extensive research. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to learn how to analyze these videos to uncover the patterns behind their success, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.